Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroat with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to be looking at commonly used tools and features of Revu used for design review workflows, from different markup tools, tracking statuses, and assigning responsibility. We'll show you how to reduce risk and increase communication through your markups. So in design review, we want to make sure that we make clear and concise notes so that we're communicating with our team. And today I just want to show you a couple of tools that are most common for doing that. So let's say we've marked up the drawings, we've given those to our designers, they've gone in and made all of those changes to the CAD files, they've marked everything complete. So all of these markups are going to end up green with that status. What they're going to do then is print a clean drawing. And a tool that we can use to help us backcheck is actually if we go under, I'm going to open up a couple different drawings. Close this one. Make sure I close my side panels so I don't make my workspace too small. So here I've got Rev A and Rev C over here. So those changes have been made and I need to backcheck those. So I can very easily do that with the compare and overlay tools. So first I'm going to start with the compare documents. So I click on that, it's going to load the two drawings I have open. I don't have to have them open. I could just navigate to those in the different folders that they're in. And just make sure that you're comparing one to the other. And I'm going to click OK. And it's going to look at these two drawings pixel by pixel and create a third document with the diff extension up here. I split my screen again vertical down here. So I can have all three next to each other. And you'll see here that it actually clouded all the changes in the drawing. So here we had a rounded wall. They changed that and squared it off. They clouded those changes. They also saw that they added light fixtures in here and clouded those. Coming over here, you can see that they removed the bathroom and put a door between those two different rooms. It did a really good job of clouding those as well. So once you get those clean drawings back from your designer, you run your document compare, you should have a cloud around everywhere where you had a markup. All the markups that you were requesting changes in the drawings should have resulted in changes in the pixels. So that's a tool that you can use to find those and make sure that changes were made. Another one is overlay. So to make sure what changed between the two, we can go to the document menu, go to overlay pages. This one's going to assign red to Rev C and green to Rev A. I'm going to click OK. And it's going to put these two on top of each other like an old light table and create a third document again called overlay. Split my screen vertical. And now you can see exactly what changed. So you can see the revisions that were made to those CAD files. Light fixtures that were added, walls that were changed, and so on. You're seeing one version on top of the other. Everything that's black here didn't change. And then you see red is revision C and green is revision A. And it'll actually even put those on layers. So if you come over here to our layers panel, you can see Rev C. I can turn that off and just look at A, or turn off A and look at C. So that's going to help us see if those changes were indeed made the way that we wanted to, the way that we wanted those to be made. Well, that's what I have for you today. A little quicker one this time around. I hope you captured some ideas to reduce risk and increase communication during your design review process. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.